As the question says, consider the situation shown in figure. Calculate the acceleration of 1 kg blocks, the tension in the string connecting the 1 kg blocks, and the tension in the string attached to 0.5 kg. So let us assume that the system is accelerating towards right with an acceleration of a, which means that this 0.5 kg block is also going down with an acceleration of a. Let us also assume the tension T1 in this string and T2 here. Now friends, we need to find this T1, T2 and acceleration in this question. So let us start with the free body diagram of these blocks. And for that, let us mark this block to be 1, this to be 2 and this be the third block. So if we draw the free body diagram of the first block, then we are having a block of mass m, which is moving down with an acceleration of a, having a downward force of mg and an upward force of T2. So we can frame the equation for this block to be mass into acceleration equals to 0.5 g, that is mg, minus upward force, which is T2. And let us mark it as equation number 1. Similarly, drawing the free body diagram for the second block, in which we are having a block of mass m having a downward force of mg, an upward force of n2, tension to the right T2, tension to the left T1, moving to the right with an acceleration of a, and hence having a frictional force F opposing the relative motion to the left. So in the same manner, we can frame the equation for this block also like mass into acceleration equals to total right force minus total left force, that is mu n2, and mark it as equation number 2. In the same manner, let us draw the free body diagram of the third block, in which we are having a block of mass m, a downward force of mg, an upward force of n1, tension T1 to the right, an acceleration a to the right, and hence a frictional force to the left. So friends, for this block also we can write the equation as mass into acceleration equals to total rightward force minus total leftward force, and mark it as equation number 3. Now we all know from the vertical direction of these free body diagrams of second and the third block that n1 is equals to n2 is equals to mg. Since mass is 1, it comes out to be g. Putting this value in equation number 2 and equation number 3, we get the relation T2 equals to twice of T1. Now, putting this value of T2 in equation number 2, we get the equation to be T1 equals to 0.2 g plus a, and let us mark it as equation number 5. Similarly, putting this value, that is T2 equal to twice of T1 in equation number 1, we get T1 equals to 0.25 g minus 0.25a, and let us mark it as equation number 6. Now why I put this in these two equations is just to reduce these equations into two equations in two variables, so that I can solve it for acceleration as well as tension 1. So solving these equations 5 and 6, I get the value of acceleration to be 0.4 meters per second square, and putting this in equation number 5, I get the answer of the second part, that is T1 equals to 2.4 newtons. Moreover, we know that T2 is twice of T1, so T2 comes out to be 4.8 Newton.